Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hey guys, so today in this video, we're going to be talking about how to download Django framework. Yay! So, Django framework. Now, this is going to be a two-part series. This first part is going to be in how to download Django. Second part is going to be how to open up your site in PyCharm. You can also open it up in Visual Studio Code the same way. So this is part 1. Part 2 should come out sometime this week or next week. Now let's begin, shall we? So what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna search up Django, and you see this site comes up. For the purpose of the user, I'm just gonna search up Django like this, and you see here is Django project. We're gonna click this. I'm gonna link this site in the description, so check it out down below, so you guys can will know how to get to here. Now, so we're gonna look at Django. What is Django? So here we have this thing, Meet Django, and I'm gonna read this out to you guys. So, Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Built by experienced developers, it takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. It's free and open source. Now, there's some keywords here. First, free and open source. Doesn't cost any money, and it helps a lot. This is how you're able to access this, and access it anywhere, and it's really useful. As long as you have an editor and you have it downloaded on that certain device, you can access it. And second thing, Python web framework. That means that you have to know Python for it, but including with Python, you need to know Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know that, as I'll probably make a series on this, so we'll be able to learn this together, or actually I'll be able to teach you guys. I already know this. Now, so here are some of the good things about Django. It's ridiculously fast, and from personal experience, I can tell that this is true. Django is able to do what other web developers, website development things can do in minutes, in seconds. It takes Python's powerful design and use it to be able to make sites way easier. It's reassuringly secure. It takes security seriously, and it makes sure that you don't make common security mistakes, and it just helps secure your site on a whole new level. And it's exceedingly scalable. Some of the busiest sites on web use Django. Like, for example, Instagram. If you guys don't know, Instagram, the social media, uses Django. It's really cool, and if you guys know Instagram, you'll know it's very famous, and the site's also really well made, and it uses Django. So that shows in perspective how good it is. Now, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click download, and then we're gonna open up download here. Now there's two ways to get Django. First, get the latest version or get the development version. So I recommend getting the official version and the official latest version, as this way you know that there isn't gonna be any errors and everything works completely fine. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna open CMD. Just let it load. Now, here we have command line prompt. So we're gonna type down pip install Django equal 3.1. This is the pip command here, and we put it down here. So if you put this pip command down, it'll install. Okay, so I'm not gonna do it myself, as I already have Django in my laptop, But for you guys, you'll just click enter, and once you click enter, it should start downloading. A bunch of stuff will come down here, but don't worry, your laptop isn't getting hacked. It's just downloading all the files it needs for you to be able to start using Django. Now, so I recommend you to pause the video right now and download it. And once you have downloaded it, we can go to part 2. So in part 2, that's a separate video which will come out later. Later this week, I'm pretty sure, like in this week or next week. In that video, what we're gonna do is that we're going to learn how to make a new project and open it up in PyCharm. And if you know how to open up in PyCharm, you'll know how to open up in Visual Studio Code and any other editor that supports Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, and if you guys will want to know when that comes out, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications so you get notified whenever I release a new video, so you'll know when that comes out. So, with that said, I already told you guys to subscribe and like, and if you guys do things like the support for the channel, it feels really nice to know that people like watching the content I make. So if you guys do like it, please let me know in the comments down below and consider liking, and subscribe if you're new. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!